Yep, we're the last great generation.
And you didn't have phones or Wi-Fi or anything?
Nope, and the TV only had 3 channels.
So what'd you do all day?
We played outside.
Well, what time did you have to be home?
Dark, usually, or until you heard Mom honk the car horn.
But you left in the morning.
Well, yeah, because if you hung around, you were going to end up doing chores instead.
And your parents just let you run around the woods by yourself?
Well, sure, but you were always with another neighbor or two.
Well, how'd you get to their house?
We walked, or rode our bike if it was too far.
Oh, and if you got tired, you just went inside?
No, you never went back in the house.
Well, what if you got hot or something?
We drank from the hose, or we'd jump in the creek or even the pond.
You couldn't even go in the AC for a minute?
Well, we didn't have AC, and if you did, Dad